All right, scholars, so we're going to read a book together. I just want to remind you that this is in the ARC bookshelf, and this is something that you can do at home when you're reading at home independently. You are going to be in the 1G book. So I'm in the 1G, and last week we did Bear Gets a Hat, The Big Sneeze, The Bird Nest, and today I'm going to do Bugs, Bug, Bear. So we're going to read this together. So the title is called Bugs, Bug, Bear. And notice how it had that S on the end. So bugs, meaning little insects, more than one. Bug means like they bother or they get on his nerves. And then, of course, the word bear. So let's get started in our book. Bugs, Bug, Bear. What are you? I am a bug. There are lots of bugs on you. Yes, I can see that. I have a bug on my head. I have a bug on my tail. There is a bug in my ear. There are bugs on my toes. There is a big one on my nose. Here we go. I think he's jumping in the pond. It says splash. Bugs bug me. Go, bugs, go. So look at all the bugs flying away. All right, so let's practice our power words. We, what, a, see, I, on, yes, can, there, is, are, have, of, lots, one, am, in, here, big, go, me, my, that, you. So those are our power words. All right, so Miss Esther's going to go back to the beginning of the story, and I'm going to let you read. Okay, so remember what I read? I'll turn the page, and you can read in your head. See if you recognize any of the words. Bugs, big bear. What are you? I am a bug. There are lots of bugs on you. Yes, I can see that. I have a bug on my head. I have a bug on my tail. There is a bug in my ear. There are bugs on my toes. There is a big one on my nose. Here we go. Splash. Bugs bug me. Go, bugs, go. All right, and then you practice the sight words. Awesome job, scholars. So now what you're going to do is you're going to play the new game, Lexia. If you have extra time, you can pull your books out of your Ziploc bag and read.